Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So let's talk about Bitcoin finally. So I do see Bitcoin raining down to 36,000. I've talked about that one before. And I can actually remove some of the drawings, and I want to talk about it very, very quickly one more time. So you have the ascending broadening wedge. Do you remember when we talked about the ascending broadening wedge here? You broke below, you came down, $39,000, $39,400 was your CME gap. You actually filled that one as well. And I told you that I personally believe we may be looking at Bitcoin moving down to maybe $30,000. But at least for now on the charts, we can actually say that 34 is a very fair price for Bitcoin to come down to. And the $34,000 come from this little bit of a break that you see right over there, okay? So you may actually see Bitcoin trying to push up to 41,000 one more time, and then finally drop. So this is your whole pattern, a little bit of a bearish pattern right over there with support right here, support right over there, support here, and support there, a break to the downside. You're going up for the retest. So we may be looking for Bitcoin to go down from there to there, and you have Bitcoin coming down, and this is going to be nearly $33,807. And that's it for this very quick update on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.